Hello children, today I will give you half yearly syllabus of English reader. So children, we have completed till chapter 6. So your syllabus is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now children, open your book. I will give you revision from all chapter. So let's start chapter 1. So this is your poem. Chapter 1 is poem, The Flint. So in this chapter, you learn poem and word meaning also. And from the poem chapters, no need to do question answer. Only you do C number. Exercise C number. This you do. Make sentences. Okay. So now come to lesson 2. Chapter 2, Heidi. You learn word meaning all. Okay. So then come to question answer. See here, answer these questions. Question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Question number 1 and 2. Question number 4 also. Now see here, answer these questions with reference to the contest. Question number 1. Okay, from 1 all the 4. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now come to exercise. C number, D number, E number and F number. Okay, all the exercise you have to do. Now next, lesson 3. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. So in this chapter, you learn all the word meanings. Now come to answer these questions. Question number 1, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. So children, answer these questions with reference to the contest. All you have to do. Okay. Now come to D number. Make sentences with the words of given below. D numbers. So this also. E number, F number. Okay. So now next lesson, chapter 4, The Fly. So this is poem. You have to learn this poem and word meaning also. Okay. From this chapter, no need to do question answer. Okay. Now come to lesson 5. Ricky, Tikki, Tavi. So in this chapter, you learn all the word meanings. Okay, all word meanings. And come to question answer. Answer this question. Question number 1, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many? 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now reference. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. All you have to do. Now C number. Make sentences with the words given below. C number you do. E number, F number. Okay. Now next lesson, chapter 6, and this is the last one. Why wisdom is everywhere. Word meaning you do. All. Answer these questions. Question number 1 and question number 4. And answer these questions with reference to the contest. All you have to do. Okay. To C number. C number you have to do. D number you have to do. F number and G number. Okay. So this is your revision of English reader. I have written here also. So once you see here also nicely. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. All. but in lesson 2 only one ABCD. Answer these questions all. See, just now I have told you in the books also. See here carefully. See carefully. Now here also I have written all the questions. Answer these questions. Now next question, hard words. So which is given in your book, and you have put tick mark also, underline also. So you have to learn all the hard words from all the chapter. Okay. Word meaning from all chapter. Poet and author name. To frame simple sentences in your own word, which is given in the book. You see in your chapters. Okay. So you have to learn both poem, The Fly and the Flint, both. So this is one extra question which I have written here. Who said to whom? From inside the book. So this also you do practice. See carefully. Don't frighten him. Who said Teddy? Father said to Teddy. So this is extra questions inside your book. So this also you do practice. See nicely. So children, all these revision you practice it in your rough copy. Okay. This is the revision of your half yearly exam. So all these things you practice it in your rough copy for your half yearly exam. Thank you.